At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Accurate description of abdominal pain is essential for proper diagnosis and treatment. Here are key ways to characterize abdominal pain. Location. Identify where the pain occurs using the 4 abdominal quadrants, upper or lower right and left. This can indicate which organs might be involved. Type of pain. Visceral pain, dull, crampy, or achy, linked to internal organs. Somatic pain, sharp, stabbing, or burning, related to the abdominal wall. Severity, ranges from mild to severe, helps assess urgency. Duration, acute, sudden and short-term. Chronic, lasts for weeks or longer. Aggravating or alleviating factors. Note what worsens or eases the pain, like the position and activity. Associated symptoms includes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, fever, or weight loss, providing diagnostic clues. A stomach pain chart helps identify the cause of abdominal discomfort based on the location, intensity, and characteristics of the pain. So after you download a copy, here's a step-by-step guide on how to use one effectively. Step 1. Locate the pain. Ask the patient where the pain is and mark it on the chart. Step 2. Assess the pain type, severity, and duration. Record descriptions, intensity, mild to severe, and how long the pain has lasted. Step 3. Note down other relevant information. Note triggers and associated symptoms like nausea or fever. Step 4. Store securely. Keep the chart for future reference, especially in cases of recurring pain, to help identify patterns or triggers. While using an abdominal location pain chart can provide important information about its cause, it is not always straightforward. Some conditions won't only have upper abdominal pain or lower abdominal pain alone, but rather may present in multiple areas or refer to different locations. You can learn more about topics like the stomach pain chart in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.